Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error 9003. This common issue can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you can resolve it efficiently. We'll start by understanding what error 9003 signifies and then move on to practical troubleshooting methods. Our goal is to get your device running smoothly again. So let's dive into the initial diagnostic steps to pinpoint the problem. First, let's cover some basic troubleshooting. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software conflicts causing error 9003. Next, ensure your operating system is fully updated. Microsoft frequently releases patches that fix various system errors. Finally, perform a thorough scan for any malicious software. Viruses or malware can corrupt system files, leading to unexpected errors like this one, so it's a vital step. If basic steps don't work, we'll move to more advanced solutions. Focus on updating or reinstalling any device drivers that might be outdated or corrupted, particularly those related to storage. Then, utilize the System File Checker tool to scan and repair any damaged Windows system files. Lastly, try performing a clean boot to isolate third-party applications that could be conflicting and causing error 9003. Our final steps involve system restoration and prevention. If all else fails, System Restore can be a lifesaver, allowing you to roll back your system to a point before the error occurred. Remember to always back up your important files regularly to avoid data loss. Also, for staying refreshed throughout your day, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Taking these preventative measures will help keep your system healthy and error-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.